Today is Thursday, March 19th, 2026, and this is the Contested Logistics Analytic Watch. Clear your lines. For those joining the signal for the first time, this is Claw 6. I've spent over 30 years practicing logistics in the Department of War and as a civilian in the National Security Engineering Center. The signal has moved from last week's focus on autonomous lift and space-enabled logistics to cyber supply chain resilience, Agentic AI, and the AUKUS Autonomous Baseline. I have synthesized the latest data from the Military Additive Manufacturing Summit, the Defense Logistics Agency, and U.S. INDOPACOM to give the collective a unified view of the current sprint toward contested resilience. Section 1. The Global Pulse. The zero line has hit the homeland. This week, the medical equipment giant Stryker confirmed that a cyber attack has disrupted its global networks. In a contested environment, our medical and industrial supply chains are the first targets for adversary digital dust operations. If the network goes dark, readiness dies at the warehouse door. At the Defense Logistics Agency, the latest mission assurance focus is on the Internet of Behavior. We are learning that moving assets leave digital footprints that can be weaponized. Scrubbing this digital dust is now a warfighting requirement. On the tech front, Seeker and GDIT announced a collaboration today to develop Agentic AI solutions for government missions. These Seeker Flow agents are designed to operate in air-gapped and tactical edge settings, making autonomous decisions to enhance resilience where human oversight is severed. Supporting this tempo, DLA Energy has deployed a new real-time situational awareness tool to track the global joint petroleum enterprise. We are moving toward a live digital picture of every drop of fuel in the theater. Section 2. The Coalition Web. AUKUS is graduating from hardware to software. For 2026, the Trilateral Partnership has committed to a shared command and control software architecture. This autonomous baseline will allow the US, the UK, and Australia to manage a unified fleet of uncrewed maritime systems at scale. In the US INDOPACOM theater, infrastructure work has officially commenced at 9 EDCA sites in the Philippines. We are building the hard stands and fuel nodes required for a dispersed sustainment footprint. Further west, NATO is currently executing exercise Steadfast Foxtrot 26. We are stress testing military mobility corridors across Europe to ensure that heavy equipment can cross borders without being choked by bureaucratic red tape. Section 3. Acquisition and Market Trends. The Army is consolidating its autonomous future. This week, a 10-year, $20 billion enterprise contract was awarded to Anduril Industries to streamline the procurement of commercially available autonomous technologies. We are moving away from fragmented contracts toward a unified robotic ecosystem. Simultaneously, Palantir showcased its ShipOS platform at AIPCon 9, bringing real-time visibility and risk management to the Navy's shipbuilding and logistics chains. In the private sector, the rise of Agentic AI platforms like those from Blue Yonder are the precursors to our own predictive sustainment goals, moving toward a system that identifies disruptions and reroutes cargo without waiting for a human prompt. Section 4. Policy and the Toolbelt. The strategic focus is shifting. New guidance under the Factory to Fight framework mandates that we view logistics as an end-to-end industrial problem. Logistics doesn't start at the water's edge, it starts on the factory floor. If the industrial base is fragile, the warfighter is vulnerable. To address this, the new issue of DLA log lines emphasizes data acumen as a survival skill. Finally, a reality check on civil-military interoperability. Under the new NDS mandate, Our regional ports and commercial partners are now part of the kill web. If you aren't building relationships with the commercial sector today, you won't have the surge capacity you need when the first shot is fired. Your commercial supply lines are no longer just business. They are a weapons system. Remember to get out of the shadows, keep spreading the contested logistics word, like and subscribe. Until next week, this is Claw 6 signing off.